This fake money that they presenting to us, man, don't be scared to use it. Don't be using them on a bunch of junk. Assets only. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Me going into debt with my gun, I bought my first gun and I went crazy buying all types of stuff. Probably like, I think damn near $1,000. I was broke for having to pay that amount now, but guess what? Spending that money on there to help my balance get higher was able to, for me to show them like, hey, I can have a high balance and pay it down. So guess what? Right now to this day, I got $18,000 on that joint. That $18,000, right? You can do a balance transfer and go buy a goddamn house. Stay tuned to our real estate videos coming up. Assets only. That whole credit card and bought a whole house, depending on how much them babies is.
Some people are so scared of credit cards. Meanwhile, we're trying to figure out how we can get more. At the end of the day, it's fake money and we want to convert it to real money. Yeah,
and just to let y'all know, we done had 500 credit scores. Bam, we done went up to 7. Guess what? We done already hit 800.
Yes.
And guess what? Tore that shit up again.
People be like, oh my goodness, 800 credit score, 800 credit score. Honestly, I don't see no big difference in having an 800 credit score. Some people underestimate how much paying your debt off will increase your credit score.
Let me tell y'all, people are always like, oh, I'm trying to pay this person to get this stuff off my credit. Like, it'd be quicker if you start paying that shit down. If that's your debt and you spend that money on stuff, go ahead and just pay that stuff down. You paying somebody thousands of dollars to fix your credit when you could have took that $1,000 and put that on some of the balances.
Some people are just like out here scamming, so be careful, because sometimes all it takes is for you to sit down, go over all of your numbers. Like literally, I love Google Sheets. We literally can plug in all of our stuff. That's where I made our budget.
Assets only. We need to make a shirt that say assets only.
Yes.
That's what we live by. Assets only. I'm telling y'all. Y'all see the shoes that I got on?
Or assets.
These is assets. They used to be black and now they white. Why? Because I'm working in them. They comfortable. They're an asset. I ain't about to either look cute.
Hello. You're knocking?
See this shirt I got on? This is a very comfortable shirt.
Very much so.
This shirt right here is a very comfortable shirt. But guess what? It's an asset because it's letting people know you about your family and business. This right here, I'm asking people, do you need a dumpster? And on the back of it, it say, we got you.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Come on now.
Assets over everything.
Assets, okay.
Assets only.
Assets only or assets first?
No, assets only until you reach your goal.
Speaking of good debt, we love our Discover and Capital One cards. We actually like to, once again, buy assets, produce money off of that fake money. And then, of course, we make sure we pay it back off. If you're also about that life, make sure you check out our links below, because sometimes there are promotions going on where they'll even give you $100 for applying. Well, it is an affiliate link. If anything, they're gonna be like, oh shoot, that's brand top people. We're gonna mess with them if anything. Okay?
Come on, what's all help you?
Check out the details, it's in the bio.
But definitely good card to start with, especially Discover. You know what, we ain't even gonna tell y'all. That's gonna be a next video, how we got an 800 credit score, and we gonna tell y'all the steps on how to do it.
Man, why is we talking about this?
Man, we probably be on the trainer topic. Not the next video, but it's gonna be one of the videos we got coming up soon.
Assets over liability.
Big time.